Hey guys, today I want to show you a cool add-on that you can create eyes for your character easily. The add-on's name is Auto Eye. First you need to install the add-on. I've downloaded the add-on, the zip file, click on the Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install from disk and install your add-on. You should see it here, enable it if it wasn't enabled by default. Then on the top menu, click on the Add Auto Eye and the eye is added to your scene. Let's scale it down and put it in place. Okay, nice. As you can see, easily we have an eye. Let's move it a little bit. Okay, this is our eye mesh. Now you have a few settings that you can change. This eye comes with a few modifiers, the cornea mask and the subsurface. It's a subdivision modifier. But the real thing happens in the shading menu. Let's go to the shading. And this is the shader for Auto Eye. You can change the shader for the iris, the cornea here in the slots. It has a pupil, but you don't need it. In the iris, you can change color of the fibers. As you can see here, I changed the colors so that you can see them easily. You can see that when I change the color, you can see it here. You have tons of options. I'm not going through everything. It's just the customizations, and honestly the names are self-explanatory. They've categorized in different category groups like fibers. You can see them here, or if you want you can add image texture. For example, if you have any specific texture for the fibers, you can add image texture and just connect the color node into any one of them. Then you have a few options for the Sclera, 2 colors and a few sliders. It's as simple as that. And in the end, you can add a mirror modifier too. Make sure to put the mirror on top and select the head as the mirror object. Isn't it nice? With a few clicks and a few options, we have a semi-realistic eye. Honestly, I have nothing else to add to this video because it's so simple to create an eye. So if you like the add-on or want to purchase it, please use the link in the description below or in the comment section. If you use the link, it will help the channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, have a great time. Bye bye.